Hi, everybody. I'm Steve from C&S Corvettes here in Sarasota, Florida. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you maybe on a little ride. We went up to the Corvette Expo at Pigeon Forge, and we do a lot of these kind of events. So I'm going to kind of try to take you there with me and give you an idea of what it's like, what you see. A lot of you don't get a chance to get out to these events, and we'll give you a little flavor of what it is. All right, guys, there's more to this show here in Pigeon Forge than just what goes on in Lacani Center and inside the building and in the main swap meet area. This whole area of Pigeon Forge turns into one big car show. But we're here in the parking lot in downtown Flavortown. The Corvettes are just now starting to show up from their crews. And I have Dale and Valerie. They are from Waterloo, Illinois. They're here in their beautiful orange Corvette. And we're gonna see their opinion on what it's all about. Tell me, what do you think of being here? Is it your first time? Tell me what you know.
It's not our first time. We've been coming since the 80s. And in fact, in about 1988, we went to Corvette Expo when it was still in Knoxville and purchased our first orange Corvette, which was a 1972. We followed it up with this one, many in between.
Tell me about this one. Tell me the particulars.
It's a Grand Sport, and it's orange, and that's the important part.
And that's particular. I mean, they're just one of many. And if Debbie will be so kind as to pan around, you'll see some of the other Corvettes starting to show up, and we'll show you some more in a little while.
Thank you.
Oh, you did. This is Mike and Zoe. They bought this car using the information that Lyle gave them about what to look for and what to look out for. And has it turned out to be pretty good?
She had this car.
Perfect. So they're having a ball with it.
32,000
That's the whole reason for having it. That's why we're here. And they're doing a good job of it. More as we walk around. Okay, everybody on board? Let's get to the show. We'll show you some really good pictures of some really good cars.
Okay, day one, right before the show opens. Still prepping.
We go from the old to the new and modern.
Very
nicely done.
And this is what you could win if you were here for the drawing. Corvette Expo Pigeon Forge Yellow Corvette. As well as the kitty car. The baby twos.
Tell us how you like this video. If you like this kind of content, we'll take you along for the ride on a bunch more of them through the summer. If you do like this, let us know in the comments below, and share with your friends and give us a like. Appreciate it.